Deep in the rainforest of Kurita, Sri Lanka, where mist drifts between ancient trees and the sound of rushing water echoes through the valley, there stands Waterfall unlike any other. A waterfall shaped by nature. This is Bopath Ella, one of Sri Lanka's most enchanting natural wonders. Bopath Ella has served a very real purpose throughout history. For the communities nearby the Muskelia Oya, the river that forms the waterfall has long been a source of life, supporting farming, wildlife, and daily living.
The jungle hums in secret tone, leaves whisper tales where I'm alone. A path of moss where sunlight's sown. Bopath Ella, you're calling me. Silver threads in an emerald sea. Your voice is soft, your heart runs free. Mist dances high, the earth feels near. 1,000 drops sing crystal clear. The soul breathes deep, no room for fear. Bopath Ella, you're calling me. Silver threads in an emerald sea. Your voice is soft, your heart runs free. Sri Lanka whispers the calm, the breeze. A waterfall song puts the mind at ease.
Bopath Ella gets its name from its unmistakable shape. The cascading water resembles a bow leaf, sacred in Buddhist tradition and a symbol of enlightenment. As the water spreads wide and then narrow into a single stream, it creates a spectacular sight that has mesmerized visitors for generations. For centuries, villagers have shared tales of hidden treasure said to be buried somewhere near the falls, and of spirits believed to guard it. Among all those stories, one legend stands above the rest. The tale of a young woman who is said to have taken her own life at the falls after a forbidden love. Locals claim her spirits can still be heard in the misty spray of the waterfall, calling out during the quiet hours of dusk.
Sky so wide it swallows my name. Feet on the dirt, but I'm playing no game. A river's hum, whispers come, come. The wind it tugs, a playful thief, stealing my doubts, leaving belief. Every step of him, my journey begun. Take me where the mountains breathe, where the sun paints gold on every leaf. I'll chase the cold, the wild, the free. The world is waiting, waiting for me. They know no chain, their shadows kiss the endless plain. I'm a thread in the fabric of the sky. A sparrow sings, the trees reply. The flute of the forest makes me fly. I'm alive, oh I'm alive.
Bopath Ella is one of the most accessible waterfall in Sri Lanka. Whether you come seeking natural beauty, adventure, or the whispers of ancient legends, Bopath Ella welcomes you. A place where the past is alive, where nature speaks in its own language, and where every drop of water tells a story. Welcome to Sri Lanka, Ceylon Green Village.